Hello guys, in this tutorial we are going to show how to clear Gmail search history on your Android phone and on your Gmail app. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below guys. Without time wasting, let's start with the video. Let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, I'm on my Android phone, so let me open my Gmail account. Okay, so I'm going to open my Gmail account. It's open, and when I click on search bar here in top of, so you can see there is a search history. You can see here. Okay, so I want to delete its search history. There is a simple procedure you have to follow. Okay, so first you have to click on this three vertical line and just scroll down, and you have to click on setting. In setting, there is a all email ID you can see which you have logged in Gmail app. Now you have to click on general setting. In general setting, you will see themes, default notification, and everything. So now let me click on this three vertical line dot, and I have to click on this clear search history. Okay, so when I click it, it will be ask you to clear search history. Just clear it. So let me go back and check whether history deleted or not. So if I click on search, you can see history has been deleted. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.